Watching INEOS Team UK's Britannia, it's easy to be swept up by her lightning speed, unique design and the immense talent on board.
10 seconds to attack.
But to really understand what makes it so special, you have to delve into the boat's core. Right into its core.
People don't see it, they see the boat racing on the race course, but ahead of that there is a lot of long days, long nights for a lot of people along the way.
In fact, there are over 50,000 construction hours that went into the project before it even reached the water. INEOS Team UK has used recycled materials as they commit to closing the loop on a circular economy.
At the end of last America's Cup, all the teams tried to bring everybody together towards a sustainability goal for this America's Cup.
The team, in partnership with ELG, instantly put their best foot forward. Early in its creation, the boat was shaped from a plug. Once covered with recycled carbon fibre, this would become the mould in which the boat would be formed.
What the ELG did is they recycled all our AC35 carbon fibre waste, and we used that waste to make the mould of Britannia.
We shred the waste material to get a consistent length of fibres. That fibre is then put through a furnace to remove any resins or waste material. Then we convert that into a matting, and that is the material that then goes to INEOS to use in their moulds. So something which would have ended up buried in the ground is now a very useful and attractively priced material.
The cradles that support the boat when out of the water are also made with 1.2 metric tonnes of ELG recycled carbon fibre.
Waste is not good in any environment, and if we can recycle the carbon fibre and effectively use it more than once and potentially reuse it again for a further purpose, then the environmental impact of constructing the material reduces and reduces and reduces.
Moving around the boat to the hull and foil, these were made from state-of-the-art Japanese carbon fibre from the specialists at Toray.
Toray has been involved in the process from 2018. There we discussed with INEOS team on which material type and format would be the best choice for their design.
This cutting-edge material can also be found in aeroplanes, bicycles and cars. Toray's quality control and ability to tweak ingredient ratios as per requirements meant they were the perfect producer.
Carbon fiber is light and strong. The strength of carbon fiber is 10 times higher than that of steel.
The key ingredient of carbon fibre is the acrylonitrile, and here is where INEOS come into this story. This unique product created by INEOS is used to make acrylic fibres which are stretched at high temperatures, carbonise and become interlocking.
Carbon fiber enables structures which are light and resilient against extremely severe environments, salt water, raging waves, gusts of strong wind, and changing temperature.
In the 3 years it has taken INEOS Team UK to research and build their boat for the America's Cup, the team have developed materials and innovation that has changed the sailing world and will also help the wider manufacturing sector. INEOS is not just a name on the side of the boat, but part of every fibre of its being.